Hello, Soulful Foodies, and welcome back to Soulful AIP. Breakfast can be tough for those on the autoimmune protocol. It's hard to wrap our minds around eating non traditional items for breakfast, and traditional pre-packaged items are most oftentimes non compliant. I can relate, and I'm here to help you out a bit. But first, are you subscribed? Come on and join the Soulful Foodie Squad. We eat good over here. Today I'm sharing my AIP compliant pork breakfast sausage recipe. It is super quick and easy, and you can make up a batch for the week if you like. These juicy sausages are packed with the savory flavors of sage, thyme, and rosemary. Let me know in the comments if you plan to make these AIP compliant breakfast sausages, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Soulful AIP.